Food processor installation. Slice disk installation. Shred disk installation. Slit and dice installation. Align the position. Place with blade facing upward. When the blade blocks the knife net, close the lid and restart. It doesn't block the knife net now. The knife net can be removed. Use the cleaner of the corresponding size. The blade faces upward. Align with the hole. Press down firmly with your palms. Pay attention to the blade. Lift the hole holder using the holes and fingers. Turn the nut left and right to fit it into place. The installation is complete.